What's up, good people? It's your boy Andre Saveka watching Parrot 911. And if you are new to this channel, please consider subscribing. And if you like what I'm gonna teach right now, don't forget to like the video. I'm so happy to talk about this topic today, guys. So today we're gonna talk about how to take better photos with your phone. Yes, you heard me right. Better photos with your phone. So first thing is gonna be your focus. Second thing will be the light. And the third thing will be your composition. So firstly, when you're talking about focus is when you tell your camera to focus on the object. To achieve that on your phone, you actually have to tap on the object that you're actually taking. The camera will automatically focus on that object and will leave the rest of the image blur focus. Make sure you nail that, and trust me, you're gonna have a better photo. And the second thing will be the light. So when you're talking about light, guys, make sure the light comes from the camera side towards the object. For instance, make sure the background most of the time can be the wall, but where the camera is should be the window. So you see the light, where it should come from. It should come from the camera towards the object. I can give you one task right now. Just go to the window and stand like this, take a picture, see how it looks. So lastly, guys, will be your composition. Composition is how you place your camera. Very important, guys. Sometimes it can guide you to take a better photo, even sometimes when you are not even aware. So when you're using this thing, chances 99.9% photos will look better than, and never use same angle, different angles, and try to see what you come up with. You'll see different results. Your object should always be on these 4 points, these 4 focal points. So when you're using this, it's called the rule of thirds. So according to photography, that's where the human eye focuses when they actually look at the photo. So when you place your object on this corner here, or this one, or this one, trust me, you're gonna have a better composition. If you can look at the news or most of the things that you see on TV, when they actually talk, most of the people are standing a little bit on the left, just like me right now. Just use the rule of third to make this composition look. That's all about composition, guys. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. Find something new in this video, and play with those little things. Those are just my little opinion and some bit of research. So if you like the video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn the notification bell on. Guys, stay safe. Holla.